Hey there, it's Crafty Jennabug. I'm going to try my hand at another Dutch pour. It's where you use a blow dryer and you push the paint around with the air from it. So I'm going to use a few blues. These two are pearlescent blues. This is not just a plain flat cobalt acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And I've got a metallic gold and a black also mixed with Floetrol and water. First thing I'm going to do is pour a bunch of white paint mixed with Floetrol and water on here, and then I will apply the paint and get to blowing. So let's get crafting. Now that I have a thick layer of white paint, I can start adding the other colors a little bit at a time and then blow them around and see how it goes. So let's do that. I really like that. I think that turned out really cool. It kind of reminds me of a seahorse, like the nose, the frill, the body, the fins. I like that a lot. Sweet. Awesome. Well, like we usually do, we're going to let it dry, and then we'll come back to see what it looks like when it's all done. That was fun. We'll check it out when it's dry. Stay tuned. Well, there we have the results of this Dutch pour. I really like the way this one turned out. It reminds me of a seahorse, like the snout, and then the frills, and the fins, the body going back to the tail. I think it's really cool. All of the little cells. Yeah, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Well, there it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. This one was a lot of fun to make, and I will definitely be trying out some more paintings using this method in the future, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.